Hello everyone, in Legazpi city, SM city. Now I'm going to Ligao. I will check because the train is back after 6 years, no train in Bicol. Now it's back, Ligao to Naga. So I will going there to check, but I cannot take the train because it's only 5 AM in morning. But if I have many like 10,000, I will sleep there in hotel and I will take the train in 5 AM. So just but like if I have 10,000, I promise you I will take next time. So there also I will show you little the city. It's a city, it's not a town. I will show you the new mall. There is new mall open last month. I will show you. So from Legazpi to Ligao, it's 60 pesos. 1 hour by bus, 1 hour 30 minutes by jeepney. So I will take the bus because jeepney it's not comfortable. So let's go inside. There is only one bus going there. So you see it's easy. You see all destination here. Iriga, Pio de Rance, Orsogon, Naga, Pilar. You know all this place I was. So this one is my bus. Ligao. So I'm in Ligao from LCC Mall, but I cannot go inside because there is music. So now I explore the city. I will show you the train station later. So now let's go to explore. So it's not my first time here in Ligao. I have few video here, but not in the city proper, in the center. Another video I did is when I was in Kawa Hill and another place. So here, the center city is my first time. I want to explore. Tricycle wait here. So I ask people what to see here. They say stay there, there is nice spots. Let's see. Because I'm late today, in 1 hour it will be night. So let's see the park. After we'll go to train station. View like that. New building, I don't know what is that. The church. Nice church. Here no foreigner. Every city I go, every time I go to look the church, so I will not miss here. I will take a look. Very old church. It's Sunday, so I will not disturb. So you see the church. So let's go back. You know, in this city you have volcano, you have beach, but the beach you will not see because the beach is very far. It's like 20 kilometers. So here's the park. Let's take a fast look. Food park. Municipal hall, bit historical. Hello. Nice city. I love it. Very beautiful. So now, next step, the train station. I will speak about that. You know, before it was train Bicol to Manila, but due to typhoon 6 years ago, they stopped it because of damage. And since last month, there is Naga to Ligao, 2 hours. It will be back Naga to Manila, but it will take time. I don't know. They have no date. But now it's working Ligao city to Naga. It's 66 kilometers, 105 pesos, 2 hours. Oh, look, Mayon, so beautiful. Look, I will. Mayon, so beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. You want to say something?
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Belgian guy.
Meet you
Nice
guy.
to meet you,
you.
Ferdi.
Oh, I am in charge with this area part.
Yeah, now I come here because I want to see the... No, I saw the PNR station because now the train since last month it's working to Naga and I want to see that and I want to record that.
Okay.
And I want to see the new mall, GF Mall. It's opened last month. I want to see that. I know it's there.
There. That's new mall.
There, yeah, but first I go PNR station before it's night.
Oh, okay.
The train station, the train since... No, it's
Police
there.
station, police-
No, train station.
train station.
It's there. I know. I
It's
know.
over there, at
Yeah, I
Santiago.
asked people. They told me.
Oh yeah.
I going now
Oh,
because
yeah,
before
anyway,
it's
where
night.
you from?
Belgium.
Oh,
But
Belgium.
I live in Bicol since 1 year.
Oh, yeah.
In Legazpi City.
In Legazpi City. That's
Yeah.
how you see all the view of Mayong Volcanic.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Thank you for
So I
coming
go
here.
before it's night.
Nice
Thank you,
meeting
sir.
you.
Thank you. Very friendly people. He's so happy I'm Vilocre City. Say welcome. Yeah, but Filipino happy you show you promote. Yeah. I'm happy to come here. It's so beautiful, it's sunny. So going train station. Arrival. So you see live Philippine, because I know from Filipino maybe it's a little boring the street for you, but I have 20% foreigner and interest. Look nice paint. It's very crowded for Sunday. a market. Oh, look, beautiful Mayon. Salamat po. So I have a train is stay there, so I can record it. Oh, I see the station. So it's here. Ah, but the train is not here. I think I see. No, it's not the train. So people told me it's here, but it's not here. So I think it's stay in Naga and will come back in evening. The train is not here. I want to recover the train. No, in Naga. Ah, okay, thank you. So let's go in another place before it's night. So the train, it's only in morning 5 to 5:30. And back in evening 5:30. So now going GF Mall, the new mall opened last month. But I guess there is music inside, so I think I cannot record inside. And after, I have planned to visit like very small lake, like that. Nice walk here. Let's see fast before I go to GF Mall. Hey man! Say hello to your father! Hello! I don't know what is in Tagalog. I say her father, not me her father. I say because he's young guy. Maybe her father follow me. And say, where is my kid? I check if I see. Hey. Yeah, you cannot recall the lookîng city without kids. Yeah, hello.
Hey, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Anong Facebook page?
So I'm still in center of city. I'm so happy to travel because I love to travel. I was not out of Legazpi city since I think 2 weeks, 3 weeks, when I was in Cameroon. If you didn't check yet, you look my video, 60 kilometers jungle. After we found the most remote hotel or isolated hotel in the Philippines. Yeah. Because I have only 60 views, I don't understand. People, maybe they don't, I think people, they don't know what's included inside. So I see the mall. It's opened last month, so very new. Here you can see the church again. So if music I stop, let's see. So there is music inside, so I will not record, I will just take. I mean, highway, look, so beautiful, Volcanic. Hey, why the car stop here? So beautiful. He's smoking. So I'm little out of center. Now I'm going to tourist spot. 3 kilometers by walk. I like to walk, so it's okay for me. Because I always stay home. So I see many bicycle. So as you understand, I know we go inside the mall because there is music every floor. So you know, it's not like a SMCT mini shop. It's only one shop, and every floor is different thing. I didn't check the price, but what I observed when I take the bus in Legazpi city, I saw many people take the bus. I think they going SM because there is more choice. Because when you go to GF Mall, it's only one brand. I don't know GF Mall. It's I don't know, Filipino, Chinese. I don't know. Oh, very nice view here, I will show you. Look, nice view. Very beautiful volcano. I really don't understand why foreigners not come here. It's so beautiful. Why are you going to my gate? My gosh, I'm so sorry. I say 100 times. Looking to my gate, no palm, no thing. It's so boring city. You know, I speak with local. They say yes. You need to do 50 kilometers to see palm in the market. Yes, from here. See rice field. Yeah, and they doing, you know, some river here, so the rice field can have water. So now I need to check my GPS where I go. You see the hill with the hut is Kawa Hill. I did video there, but today I going another place in the right, there in the right. So let's go. So as you know, Mayon, and near we have another volcano, but it's not active now. Mount Isarok, like that. There is 5 volcanoes in Bicol, so they are very near. So let's continue. Beautiful sunset, like 6:30. Some 800 meters from where I go. So the lake is closed. There is restaurant in the lake is closed also. So now I will go another place to eat, and after I will go back to Ligao. So now it's like 7 o'clock. It's hot. Because you know it's in Philippines, it's humid, it's wet. So let's go. So here, look, nice bar. I will go there to eat. So let's go. So the guy here in restaurant is very friendly. I will introduce him in my channel. Now we will speak little about what he proposed. We will try, but first he will speak. Wait. So he will introduce him. So let's speak.
Hello, I'm John. I'm one of the owner of Kuyang's restaurant, and I'm here with Virgil. He's welcome here. We started in 2003, so we are the oldest establishment here in Ligao City. We are already 20 years operating, and we hope and we thank you that you visited our place, and you're very welcome, and you can try our food if you like it. We're in Ligao City, Ligao City.
I will write her Facebook in description. I'm very excited to try a specialty.
Okay.
Very excited.
Thank you.
So I will try a specialty, Szechuan chicken. I take some vegetable. So let's eat, and I will give you my reviews. So I cannot vlog more because there was music, but it was very yummy. Masarap. I pay 585 pesos. So very good, very happy. I will back there. So you have a Facebook restaurant in description. If you come Ligao City, going to the restaurant, very good. Because in Legazpi City, most of restaurant is Korean, Japanese. I don't like that. I mean Filipino, I want to eat Filipino food, not Korean. So now I'm in highway, I wait the bus to Legazpi because there is always bus from Mania going to Legazpi, and so when I see one I will stop then I will go. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon.